Hi friends, I'm Shrea.
And I'm Abhi, and we're from the Union 6th Grade Center.
Go Redskins! Yay!
Our experiment is called the Dancing Sprinkles. This experiment is going to talk about how our sound waves can affect our sprinkles to dance.
And by the way, if you think it's magic, it really is. Shh, don't tell anyone. Okay, well, the materials you need for this experiment are sprinkles,
A bowl,
plastic wrap,
a plate.
and scissors.
Let's start off our experiment by wrapping up our bowl with the plastic wrap.
Great idea, Abhi.
We need to make sure that the plastic wrap is very tight and there's no like air lines.
And it's okay if you take an excessive amount of plastic wrap because we need a lot. And by a lot, I mean a lot. So just wrap it. So while we're doing this, we're just going to cut it. And it's okay, again, if you make an excessively amount of plastic wrap. I think if you can hold that. Hold it right there. Okay, now just wrap that. Okay, well, now we're going to have the plate under here because from here on, it's all sprinkles. It's gonna go sprinkly on you. Okay, well, let's move these so we can see what we're gonna do. Okay, so first we'll do Abhi. So Abhi's gonna make a little dent to unscrew it. Okay, so you wanna make sure you try to, okay, so Abhi can lift her finger off and I'm going to explain while she does. Her noise makes a frequency which makes the plastic wrap vibrate and which makes the beads or the sprinkles go up and down because of the sound. This way you can see sound move with objects instead of just sound waves and boring science experiments. Okay, now let's try me.
You want to make sure that your finger is not too dented but not too less dented. Because if it's too dented, then it's going to make a hole. And if it's less dented, then it's not going to make a proper.
You think that's enough, Abhi?
I think it is. Let's see how you can do it. As you see, when you put more frequency, the sprinkles are going to blow off the bowl. But if you do less, then they're not going to really do anything. And if you just use air, then they're just going to blow away like wind. You want to make sure that your lips are sort of above the bowl so the sprinkles can actually move. Our sound waves from our mouth and our noise let the sprinkles dance away like magic.
Sprinkly. Okay, well, now you can see how our science experiment works so well. So now we guarantee that your science experiment will work awesome if you try it at home. It's such a fun and easy experiment to do at home, right, Abhi?
Especially if your parents don't know you're doing it, because then you can sneak some sprinkles for yourself.
Yeah. Okay, and most importantly of all, there's no parental guidance needed in this.
Take that to your advantage.
So, bye-bye for now.
For now.